this is what we are building with today. In the center of it is this, the Ryzen 5 5600X. Now I know 2025 and we're talking AM4. So this is the last CPU made for the AM4 socket. But if you really want to build a budget PC in 2025, this is what we're going with. To use with this, we will be using the ASRock B550 Wi-Fi SE. This is the cheapest B550 board I could find with Wi-Fi inbuilt. Why B550? Honestly, I was looking for maybe B450 was fine, but turns out that it doesn't support PCI Gen 4 because we are using with a 4th generation PCIe SSD, and also our CPU supports it, so should go with the best that there is. For the graphic card, we will be using the Intel Arc A750. Now, this is something that I've had lying around. If you follow the channel, you probably know about this. I've had this for a while and I just didn't get an opportunity to use it, and this should be it. For the power supply, I'm going to be using this is the MSI Mag A650BN, 650 watts, 80 plus bronze and non-modular, of course. So it seems like a pretty good value. It's a C minus on most power supply forums, so I am sure this will be fine for this build. For the case, we are going with the Deepcool CG534F. Now this is an all white case with 4 ARGB fans, and it supports full size motherboards. Of course, this one is a micro ATX, so this should go in quite well. It's going to be it's not really themed, this build, but white case, and if you look at this motherboard, it's actually quite beautiful. If you take a look, this has, you know, like some silver accents going on here, so I think it's gonna go quite well with this case. And yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with the build. Okay guys, we have done a successful test run of the system outside the case right now. You can see that the CPU is getting recognized. We also get our RAM, which is running at beautifully slow speeds, but this should be fixable, of course. So yep, now we are good to assemble this inside the case. Okay guys, so this is the time for the first boot. Fingers crossed guys, let's go. Holy shit, let's go. These fans are quite nice, honestly. I just hope I'm able to control them properly with my motherboard software. They look pretty nice. They also have this little like infinity effect going on. That's quite nice, to be honest. Honestly, the cable management I've done is not the best over here, and I have to figure out why that's blinking. Hopefully that works. Um, but yeah, I think it looks pretty sick. Cable management could be better. I mean, this is my first time working on it, so I think I've done a decent job, but it's not the best job, of course. Love this little Intel arc glowing over there. I think it adds really well, and I think the silver accents on the motherboard work quite well with the white case and the white fans. And I'm also thinking of putting something here to make use of this open space. There's quite a lot, to be honest. Could have gone with a smaller case, but I think I like the aesthetic. I think it looks pretty nice. Well, this case is actually quite aesthetic. I do love how this case looks. For the ports here, we have a Type C to USB 3.1, mic, audio, LED, and power. USB-C is not working right now because I don't have a port for it on my motherboard, but both of these work. Looking at the rear I/O, it's not very extensive, but it has everything you'd want. So here's a little montage of the build. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, thank you for watching.